Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Tapo C310 with an iPhone. So it's super simple. You see that I have my iPhone here in the Tapo app. If you don't have this app, you just need to come here to the App Store and look for Tapo, okay? And here, just insert Tapo, hit enter, and look for the TP-Link Tapo. That's the app that you just need to download. And here you just need to create an account. The first time they're using the app, you create an account using your email, and then you create a password and you just log in and you're good to go. Here I have my already logged in. Then in the first time that you see this app, you're gonna see a big button asking you to add a new device. You just click to add a new device, or you come here to the top to this plus signal and add a new device. And from here, you're gonna select outdoor camera and then Tapo C310 or any Tapo camera that you have available out there, right? Here, I'm gonna select wireless because this camera allows me to connect via Ethernet or wireless. I just select wireless and I hit next. And now it's time to check if your camera is flashing here, the LED red and green. If it's not, then you just need to reset your camera. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to open the camera and reset. Just open this part here. Let me just show you. There we go. And there's a reset button just here, right? So you can just press and hold and reset and you're good to go. You're gonna have your camera flashing like this. If it's flashing like this, just continue. And now it's time to connect your phone to the camera. So just come here to your Wi-Fi. And here you're just gonna look for the Tapo camera. Okay, it's the signal is named Tapo Cam something. Just keep looking here. Sometimes it takes a while, you just need to refresh until you see it. And also it keeps changing the position. It's not here yet. Just be patient. There we go, I saw it here. Tapo Cam something, that's the one. Just keep changing the location, just select it here. And then you come back to your app and you see this animation here showing the camera is connecting directly to the phone. There we go. And now it's time to rescan your network and find the routers available. There we go, I have my router here. That's the one that I'm gonna use. I just select this one. And here's my password. I just hit next, confirm, wait for it to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. That's the message that we want to hear, Wi-Fi connected. Then you're gonna just observe the LED here is going to change to steady green. That means the camera is connected to the router, okay? Then you're gonna see the message here, inform you that's okay. Just name your camera, hit next, select the location, select an icon, and sounds good. Just hit here, and you're good to go. Let me just put the camera back there. And here I can just skip this trial, got it. And it's going to offer to connect to the storage, right? Then I'm gonna skip this one, my Tapo Hub as a storage. I'm not gonna set up this right now. And the SD card, just hit got it. Firmware update, got it. And it's good to go, working. Okay, so I have the live image here from the camera. Then I can just insert a micro SD card and come here to the settings. And from here I can just take a look if it's good, or I can just format the SD card and make it work, and then the camera starts recording right away, right? It comes from the factory ready for recording. As soon as you have an SD card here, it's going to work, okay? So hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can set up your camera on an iPhone. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.